Excavators, the giants of construction sites, are the masters of digging, lifting, and moving massive amounts of earth. Today, we're going to introduce you to some of the top excavators in the industry, each with its own unique set of features and capabilities. First up, we have the Caterpillar 336F. This excavator is known for its exceptional digging depth of up to 23 feet and impressive bucket capacity of 2.8 cubic yards. Equipped with Caterpillar's advanced hydraulic systems and intelligent control features, it delivers optimal performance and fuel efficiency on any construction site. The 336F is also equipped with a comfortable and spacious operator cabin, providing excellent visibility and ergonomic controls for enhanced productivity and operator comfort. Next on our list is the Komatsu PC 490 LC11. This excavator combines power and precision with its versatile attachments and advanced technology. With a digging depth of 24 feet and a bucket capacity of 2.54 cubic yards, it can handle a wide range of excavation tasks. The PC 490 LC11 features Komatsu's advanced hydraulic system, providing excellent control and responsiveness, while the Komatsu Care program offers exceptional maintenance support to maximize uptime and reduce operating costs. Moving on, we have the Hitachi ZX 470 LC6. This excavator stands out for its exceptional lifting capabilities, with a maximum lift capacity of 30,000 pounds. It boasts a digging depth of 23 feet and a bucket capacity of 2.8 cubic yards. The ZX 470 LC6 is equipped with Hitachi's advanced hydraulic system, allowing for smooth and precise movements, and its durable undercarriage design ensures stability and longevity, even in challenging terrains. Another impressive excavator on our list is the Volvo EC 480E. This machine is renowned for its fuel efficiency and intelligent features, such as Volvo's unique Eco Mode and advanced hydraulic system. With a digging depth of 23 feet and a bucket capacity of 3.1 cubic yards, it offers excellent digging performance while minimizing its environmental impact. The EC 480E is equipped with Volvo's CareTrack telematics system, providing real-time machine monitoring and enhanced fleet management capabilities. Next, let's talk about the Liebherr R9800. This mining excavator is an absolute beast when it comes to digging and hauling massive amounts of material. With a bucket capacity of up to 47.5 cubic yards, it is capable of moving vast quantities of earth in a single scoop. The R9800 is powered by Liebherr's powerful and efficient diesel engine, and its innovative energy recovery system reduces fuel consumption and lowers operating costs. The machine's spacious operator cabin offers comfort and excellent visibility for maximum productivity. Now let's explore the versatility of the JCB 220X. This excavator is designed for multi-purpose applications, offering a range of specialized attachments for various tasks. With a digging depth of 20 feet and a bucket capacity of 1.52 cubic yards, it can efficiently tackle digging, trenching, demolition, and material handling tasks. The JCB 220X features JCB's innovative EcoMax engine, providing high power output and fuel efficiency, while the advanced telematics system allows for remote monitoring and preventive maintenance. we have the Bobcat E85. This compact excavator is perfect for tight spaces and urban construction projects. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on power and versatility. With a digging depth of 15.5 feet and a bucket capacity of 0.42 cubic yards, it can navigate through narrow spaces with ease. The E85 is equipped with Bobcat's advanced hydraulic system, providing excellent digging and lifting capabilities, while the spacious and comfortable operator cabin ensures a productive and fatigue-free work environment. The SK350 LC10 stands out with its powerful Hino engine, providing high torque and fuel efficiency. Its innovative hydraulic system delivers smooth and responsive control, allowing operators to work with confidence. The machine's advanced features, such as the intelligent total control system, enhance productivity and optimize fuel consumption. In addition to its impressive performance, the Kobelco SK350 LC10 prioritizes operator comfort and safety. The spacious and ergonomic cabin offers excellent visibility and low noise levels, reducing operator fatigue during long working hours. The machine also incorporates advanced safety features, including rear-view cameras, intelligent safety alarms, and reinforced structures for enhanced operator protection. Last but not least, the Hyundai R480 LC9A is built to withstand the rigors of demanding construction projects. Its durable construction, extended service intervals, and easy maintenance access contribute to increased uptime and reduced downtime. This excavator is engineered to handle tough conditions while delivering consistent performance. From excavation and trenching to loading and material handling, the Hyundai R480 LC9A is a reliable and efficient choice. Its power, versatility, and durability make it an excellent asset for construction projects of various scales. And that concludes our showcase of the top excavators in the industry. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at these incredible machines and their capabilities.